All right. Number 11, how many solutions does the equation have? So what I am going to do is I'm going to use Desmos. Um, and I had mentioned on another video that I don't love using Desmos for solving number of solutions, but I really meant like a certain way to plug it in. So I am going to solve this. I'm going to show you two ways to solve this, and then you kind of decide. So let me hop over to Desmos here, and the first way that people use to solve using Desmos is simply plugging in the equation directly as is. And this is a fine way to do this one. So I'm going to zoom out a bit, but yeah, so we only get one vertical line, so there must be just one solution. All right, so that's totally fine. Another way to do it is to put the left side in one and the right side in the other and look for intersections. And so we see that there's just going to be one intersection. So again, two different ways to do the same thing. It's your preference, except for if I go back to the problem. So we know the answer is one. The issue with the first way is this one doesn't matter because there's no infinite solutions. Is that if there is zero solutions or infinite solutions, when you just plug in the equation, they will look the same. Let me just demonstrate that really quickly. So I know that if I do something like 2x plus 3 equals 2x plus 3, there's an infinite number of solutions, and Desmos just simply doesn't show anything. But if I make it 2x plus 5, there's no solutions, and Desmos also doesn't do anything. So those are the types of problems where I wouldn't use this way because you can't decipher the difference between infinite and no solutions. Then I would simply take this equation and plug it into the second one, and then you'll see that they're parallel. And in the first case, they'd be on top of each other, and you'd be able to decipher between no solution and infinite solution. This problem didn't matter because there was no infinite solution option, so it was totally fine to do it the first way. But the second way will work as well, left side in one, right side in the other, and look for how many intersection points.